Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This week's on number line and fractions. When we think of fractions, we're actually looking at fractions in two different ways. First, think of fractions on a number line. So imagine if the number line started at 0, ended in 1. 1/4, well, where does 1/4 fall? Well, 1/2. Broke it up into 4 equal parts. 1/4 would fall right there. If you think about it as an image, if you draw a picture, 1/4, right? Or some people I know like to draw it as a unit bar. Either way, it's 1 out of 4, numerator, denominator. So when you're looking at this week's assignment, you're looking at either putting fractions onto a number line and or drawing an image of the fraction and or trying to figure out which fraction is larger or smaller. If you think about a fraction being larger or smaller, think about what it represents. So if somebody was comparing to you, if I had 1/8 of something or 1/6 of something, I want to say, well, what's larger? Would I rather have 1/8 of a candy bar or 1/6 of a candy bar? Well, think about it. If you think about 1/2, 1/2 is the same. Well, in terms of eighths, 1/2 would be 4/8. In terms of sixes, 1/2 would be 3/6. So break it down from there. Well, 1/6 is looking like that. If we break it down from here, 1/8 is looking like that. So technically 1/6, right, out of 6 bars, 1 part out of 6 is bigger than 1 part out of 8. But again, just thinking about when you compare fractions, think about something being larger and smaller, think about that image and what it would look like to be able to compare. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of guidance. And remember, fractions are an adventure you'll have for a while now. It's the rest of your math career will involve fractions, so it's just fun to play around and really fun to bring them back to an image. Think about what they look like representative-wise as a visual model. Enjoy.